hellfuckeries. Till I got this 24 Tories Weston II. I remember phone that separate me off. Yes, it ain't a best single. It's the best single you get. It's not one of those situations where he has to sit right over there. Show the camera. Because there's so much shit here and here. So not two people could be over here.
Excuse me, Ty.
What?
I have to show him. See?
So it's gonna get cleaned up Monday, so I have time. Alright, go sit down. Back in your spot.
Oh, I gotta be careful with this iPhone.
Here it is with the wire off. Ow. Bitch.
I don't want to drop it, and he gets mad at me because I'm not, I don't get that type of money for an iPhone.
It's a W-14, so it's two. These nuts, two of these nuts, and 4 of these nuts right in yours mouth. With the West, this one's it's got one pimple tree and a one these nut protein. Let me kill myself on the way out. Nah, this place. I'm never like a first, man. I'll never kill myself. I don't even want to talk about stuff like that. So as well.
Mm-hmm.
What? Yeah, looks looking good. Best way to get it. Cause I ain't gonna take the whole fan down just to make a meal in the testimony. Nothing special anyway, so why would waste the time? Ow! What's going on if I'm busting my dick on the way? This one vibrates like a bitch. And why was it tapped down on? They can't see me right here, can they?
No. Good.
So it's me, I feel better get you much here because you like I showed you that corner full of junk. So why would I use it? But I do turn all these on at once. Sometimes when I do that, I turn it on as well. So we all get a chance to learn all that. Well, here, it's surrounded by shit, so it's not the greatest because of that. I'll put 42-inch thing up there. That'll help it a little more. That's a 44-inch. If I put 42 and still a little closer to the wall, that would help with it. It'll drop a fan handle higher. I got full time air back here. Ow, bitch. You motherfucker.
This iPhone feels good with the case off.
Better not drop that bitch.
I'm not. I got it.
This is hard concrete floor. Drop that bitch.
I got it right here. It's gonna be right here. It's gonna drop on me. And I got that.
No man, your mom would be if you bought my
Yeah, this phone is expensive.
I guess it's a 14.
The 15 is more expensive.
Well, no shit, but you spin down.
My sister broke she breaks my shit even more. That's gonna be, she gonna be arrested because my shit's expensive. Phones are not cheap.
Does your mom get her in trouble for breaking your shit?
Yup.
Good.
She got in trouble for breaking, she said, your phone was already broke. No. Because the piece off my phone was never broken. She said that was broken, that been broke. No.
Your mom told her that too. Your mom's like, no, it wasn't broke.
I told my mom it was never broke.
What your mom did?
She said it was, the phone was already broken when you first. No. That phone was up to $500 that I got.
Mine's more than that, I think.
The iPhone 15 is like, it ain't $1 million.
15's probably over $1,000.
Yeah, it's over $1,000 for 15. Yes.
Mine's probably 800.
You know the 15 got the Android charger.
Yeah, it's got the Type-C on it.
Yup, because the Android got the.
Mine's stupid, I know that. Ain't that fucking dumb, 53 fucking much.
I love Type-C. Someone give me an iPhone 15. I like to have an iPhone.
You might as well wait until 16 comes out.
The 16?
Yeah.
It'd it be more cheaper to get the 15?
I don't know. When the 14 come out, after when I got my 14, they had a special deal on. So my 14 was cheaper than the 13. Because my mom was getting his reverse well. Because my mom was getting me 14, but with the special deal was gone, the 14 was cheaper. So that's why my mom got the 14. Made the 14. I was so happy about that, man.
He's like, yes, finally got me at 14. You about to get a 13?
Yeah, I got the newest one in my house now.
But until you think about getting the 15 anyways.
I would like to, but my mom would be like, what the fuck? Because no, I got money. So
And then you're gonna have to get a fucking Android charger.
they should come with chargers.
Oh yeah, they do. They do.
Just don't call it the box anymore. What's this stupid? I thought these called charger box and M.
They don't come with the charger box no more?
No.
What?
They come with the charger, but not the box. The
My mama didn't get no. They don't give out boxes no more to their fucking phones. For the Samsung Galaxy 2, they don't give it out no more.
And do you remember when iPhones used to come with AirPods or whatever?
Yeah.
They don't come with those anymore either.
Good thing I got AirPods.
Which is so bullshit.
I got AirPods. I ain't worried about it.
It's hot with buzz.
Oh, you go to the mall.
Yeah.
They give you AirPods with your phone.
No, they don't. Yeah.
If you get AirPods in the phone, you can get it.
Get your ass up and give me that phone.
Oh, please don't drop it, or you want me to put it back in the case.
I'll put it in the We'll do it at the video. So one drop it. Gets hot for the case. It's really thin too. Alright. I can't get too close to this because like I showed you, it's a mess. There's the poles, LED daylights, there's shades, shades, top. I'm not gonna get them with the tags because yeah, I can't. Look up this with the.
Oh, that's dirty.
Well, yeah, it hasn't been clean. So yeah. Wait, let's reverse it back so that.
What? Did it nuts?
Alright. Weston is gonna piss off. Pissies!